Hey everyone, so in today's video I wanted to do a really simple model-esque spring type makeup tutorial. And when I think of model-esque type makeup and what I see in the magazines, I really think about really dewy, glowy skin, very simple, nothing too heavy, nothing too cakey, not too drawn in type eyebrows. So I kind of wanted to recreate that kind of look. And I really like this makeup look. I've been using a lot of these products on a daily basis, and I think it's work appropriate, it's church appropriate, it's appropriate for a lot of different places, and you can dress it up or down however you'd like. But I think you really like the products that I used. Some are drugstore and some are slightly more expensive but affordable. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. Also, I just want to mention that I did add a darker lip after the fact, after I stopped filming, and the darker lip is this brown blush from Maybelline, and that's what I have on here mixed with the lip gloss that I used in the video. So, enjoy! For my base, I am going to mix these BB creams, and this is Skin 79 BB cream, this is Korean BB cream, and I'm going to mix the colors just because the main color right there is a little bit too light for my skin right now, and so I'm mixing in the bronzer, and I'm also mixing it in with this Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Serum. I've been using this stuff like every day ever since I bought it, and I really enjoy it. You can blend this in with your foundation or use by itself, but it just gives an extra glow to whatever you're using. And so I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. For concealer, I've been loving the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's been working great for my under eye circles, and I have really bad under eye circles. And I use two colors, and one is light sand and the other is light neutral. And I've kind of always done this where I put like the lighter in the inner corners of my eyes and then the darker one towards the end to kind of just blend it in with my foundation a little bit better. And I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. I'm going to set that with this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm just going to use a lighter color on my under eye circles to make sure that my concealer doesn't crease, and then I'm going to use the powder all over my face. I'm going to use the bronze color to lightly contour my face, and I don't really do sharp contouring. I kind of just fluff it around the perimeter and my cheekbones, and just to give that natural sun-kissed look. Now I'm going to use two blush colors, and I always tend to do this to kind of give like an ombre kind of look. And these blushes were $1 actually, and I'll link everything down below in the description box. So I'm going to use the more taupey color towards the end of my cheekbones and the pink color right on my cheekbones. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use the Lorac Pro Palette 3, and I'm going to use these two colors, which is a taupey color and then a gold color. And that taupe color I'm going to put in my crease, and then that gold color I'm just going to use my finger and put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and get ready for mascara. So for mascara, I've been loving this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, but be warned, it does dry out pretty quickly. I've had it for a month and it's right now pretty dried out, so I'll have to get another one. But it works for this look, so that's the one I'm going to use. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow powder that I picked up at a local eyebrow threading place, but you can use any eyebrow powder, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my eyebrows, giving them that natural look. I'm not going to line them really drastic, so I'm just filling them in to make them look a little thicker. So I'm just going to apply mascara to the lower lash line. Moving on to highlight. I love this Wet n Wild highlight. It's really good highlight for the price. I think it's like $3 or $4, and it's a really pretty gold color, and it just has this really nice shimmer. It's not too glittery or flaky or anything like that. So for lips, I'm using this L'Oreal lip gloss, and it's in just a natural pink color, and I really love this lip gloss. It stays on for a long period of time and through eating and drinking and all that stuff, so I can't find the color anywhere right now, but I'll link it down below. And I decided to finish the eyes off with kind of a smudgy lined look. So I got this brown eyeshadow pencil, crayon better said, and I just smudged that on my top and lower lash line. So that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's any other looks you'd like to see, just let me know, and we'll see you next time. Bye!